Good morning class. Today we will do the volume of sphere and hemisphere. In this, the shape of the sphere is just like a ball, it's round, and in this hemisphere it's the ball but half of that, so it means this is hemisphere. Half of the circle, it's hemisphere, the half of sphere. In this you can see that how to do get the formula to find out the volume of the sphere. In this volume of a material, like volume of outer sphere and volume of inner sphere, this will be the formula 4 upon 3 pi r cube minus 4 upon 3 pi r cube. In this r, the difference is that this is a greater and this is a smaller, and when it comes common, so you can see that 4 upon 3 and 4 pi are both are common in this, so we'll take out that out and the remaining r's will be inside. And in this you can see the volume of sphere, the simple formula of volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, but when it's come to the two materials, so the two parts, then it is a having two formulas, but we are making them mixed and taking out the common, and 4 upon 3 pi will be outer and the radius of both sides, like greater and smaller, will be outer in the brackets. Now this is volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere is 2 upon 3 pi r cube, and a radius is r simply in this. So you have to try this examples of which are on page number 268. In this you can see, find the volume of the sphere of radius is given, means they have given us the radius, and with the formula of that we can solve out the from this solution. We can find out the volume of the sphere, because the formula of the volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, so we'll keep this 4 upon 3 same, and pi on the place of that pi will be 22 upon 7, which is the value of pi, and r, which is given already 11.2, will put on that r's place, and it is in the cube, so we'll multiply it thrice, and 4 upon 3, and this will be pi, and the volume, the value of the pi radius will be multiplied or cut. If you can cut it, so cut it, and if you cannot, so that then multiply and divide it, and you'll get the answer like this. So these are the different type of examples of this with a different type of shapes, or you can say that examples of the sphere object. So you can try these questions and then you can understand it better by doing the practice of this 1 2 3 4 examples on page number 68. Thank you.